Hello everyone. Today's point of discussion is pH scale. Now P is from the French word potenge, which means strength. So pH scale was invented by Sorensen. So what is pH scale exactly? The scale which indicates the acidic, basic or neutral nature of aqueous solution is said to be the pH scale. Now remember, the solution having acidic property shows pH less than 7 and solution having pH values greater than 7 is said to be basic, and the solution which has pH just equal to 7 is said to be neutral in nature. Now technically, what is pH of solution? Remember, pH of solution is negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration expressed in molarity. Now mathematically this can be given as pH is equal to negative log base 10 concentration of H plus ion, but remember H plus concentration must be expressed in molarities. Now likewise one can explain pOH also. So pOH is, or pOH of solution is, so it is negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydroxide ion concentration expressed in molarity. So mathematically this can be given as pOH is equal to negative log base 10 concentration of OH minus, and remember OH minus concentration must be expressed in molarities. Now for a solution, remember pH and pOH are closely related. Now we need to see the relation between pH and pOH. Now we all know very well that ionic product of water, that is Kw, is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus, which is just equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. Thus one can write concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. If we take log to the base 10 to the both side, then what happens? Log base 10 concentration of H plus log base 10 concentration of OH minus is equal to log base 10 1 minus 14 log base 10 10. Then this can further be given as log base 10 concentration of H plus log base 10 concentration of OH minus is equal to log 1 0, log 10 1, thus minus 40. Now by reversing the sign on the both side, we get negative logarithm to the base 10 of concentration of H plus minus log base 10 concentration of OH minus is equal to 40. And earlier we have discussed that negative log base 10 concentration of H plus is nothing but pH, and minus log base 10 concentration of OH minus is nothing but pOH. Thus this can be given as pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So this is the relationship between pH and pOH for any solution. What we need to know, solution having the pH value less than 7 is acidic. If pH is less than 7, then ultimately pOH will be greater than 7. So acidic solution is that solution which has a low, pH value less than 7 or pOH value greater than 7. Thank you.